The Yenko Corvette C8 is here, and we're going to talk about it. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Let's get some focus here. It is your boy Javi bringing you back another auto tech news, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the famous Yenko. You guys remember the Yenko Camaro? Yenko has a long history with automotive, especially for GM. And whenever you see a Yenko Camaro go through the auction bid, they fetch a pretty penny. This time around, Yenko is creating or is making 10 units of the 2024 Chevy Corvette, and get this, it's going to be a 1,000 horsepower twin turbo V8. But before we continue with the video, I wanted to let you guys know that we're still running the super clean giveaway. We're going to be giving away one of these with the super foam activator. This is an amazing degreaser that cleans not only your barbecue pit, your suspension, your engine. It cleans everything. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be reaching out to you within a week. All you got to do is provide your address, and I'm going to be shipping out both of those products to you. They've been a long sponsor of this channel, Super Clean, and I am very grateful that they continue to sponsor the channel, and we're always doing the giveaways. So what is this 1,000 horsepower Yenko going to consist of, or what is it bringing to the table? Because there is a catch to this vehicle, and I want you to stick to the end of the video so I can tell you what's the catch to this vehicle, to see if it's actually worth it for you to purchase it or not, if you're a big time Corvette fan. So this 1,000 horsepower Chevrolet Corvette C8 is going to be a pretty cool vehicle, but it's going to cost you a pretty penny. So in addition to the two 58mm water-cooled turbochargers, the V8 from the Yenko V8, it's going to feature a forged steel crankshaft. It's going to feature forged H-beam rods, forged aluminum pistons, and an upgraded camshaft. Not only that, it does not stop there. A custom intake manifold, an ARP high-strength head, a CNC ported high-flow cylinder heads, custom valve covers, which I'm sure those valve covers are just going to be extreme to that vehicle. An upgraded fuel system, a custom tune to help the LT2 make 1,000 horsepower, and SVE also upgrades the 8-speed dual clutch gearbox to handle the extra power. Now, it will come with different things. As you can see here in the picture, we have some of the Liberty, where you see the stickers on the side, or the Liberty on the side. I don't want to call it stickers anymore, where you see the Yenko SC on the side of the vehicle, right around the corner panel, which I think it looks amazing. Now, it will be available in any factory color. So there is about 9 color choices that you could get, and there is some carbon fiber things that you could add on to it, meaning carbon fiber options. You're gonna get the big logo on both of the sides. You're gonna get some logos in the front. We could go through some pictures here. This white one actually looks pretty cool. I really like the white one. I like the blue. The blue looks really nice. And there's also the gray. There's about 9 different colors that you can pretty much get this in, and that's gonna be pretty cool because they're only making about 10 of these vehicles. So the Yenko badge brake calipers come in red as standards, but customers can pick optional colors, while the SVE caps off the upgrade powertrain with a unique exhaust tip in silver or in black. There's also 3 styles of staggered 19-inch front wheels or 20-inch wheels in the back. SVE is making just 10 units of this Yenko SC Corvette for 2024, and it plans to increase the units for 2025 to 50. Now, get this. This is the part that I wanted to tell you. The package starts at $99.95, and that does not include the Corvette itself. You would have to buy the Corvette separately, and then you'll have to add on this package. So all in all, you're talking about a C8 Corvette, give or take. All in all, you're close to the $200,000 mark, or if not there, but I believe you're going to be just right under $200,000 mark. So is this vehicle, with the history that Yenko has, going to be something that you would be interested in buying? Is it worth it for the price that the package starts for? Now, you got to remember that it is a 1,000 horsepower 6.2 liter V8. It's got upgraded a bunch of stuff in the engine. It's got the fuel system upgraded. It's got the custom manifold. You got everything that you would want in this vehicle. So basically, if you're building a V8, or if you're building a Corvette and you want kind of like this power, or you want to get near this type of power, with that price that they're selling it to you, the package for $99,995, you're pretty much out and out. You're grabbing the car, you're out the door, and you don't got to do nothing to it. Right off the bat, you already have 1,000 horsepower. Now, the Yenko is one of the coolest tuners of Corvette yet, but they have a long history with GM, and Yenko does some very good stuff, and it is a history to maintain on its own. So what do you guys think? You guys think that this is something that could hit the market and it could be a hit? What do you guys think? If you had a Corvette yourself, would this be something that you would be looking to do? In other words, would you be looking to buy a Corvette and do this extra package with the offers of 9 different colors, various graphics, and some carbon fiber options? I think you could get away with having a pretty cool Corvette. Anyways, if you guys are liking the content, remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up for your boy. We're going to try to reach to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the month or by the beginning of next month. I'll see you guys on the next one.